Got a sweet craving but zero time? Get ready to bake bakery-level deliciousness in just 5 minutes. You won't believe how easy this is. If you're new here, please subscribe for more speedy recipes. No fancy equipment needed. Just mix your dry ingredients, add a splash of milk and oil, stir until smooth, and you're almost there. It's so satisfying, isn't it? Don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying this quick hack. Pop it in the microwave for just 60 to 90 seconds and watch the magic happen. The aroma alone is pure bakery bliss. Please share this recipe with anyone who loves a good dessert. A little dusting of powdered sugar or a fresh berry makes it bakery ready. Look at that perfect texture. Light, fluffy, and utterly irresistible. What's your go-to quick treat? Comment below and let me know. And there you have it, your gourmet 5-minute mug cake. Seriously, this is a game changer. If you want more recipes that taste like they came from a bakery but take no time at all, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Share this video with a friend who needs a sweet escape.